marvel of 4 cylinders, born in the early 1980s and cradled in affection until the mid-90s. Its lineage, illustrious, echoes with the whispers of unwavering reliability and enduring strength. In the year 1981, this celestial engine descended, succeeding the revered 20R, gracing vehicles like the Celica, Corona, and Hilux with its divine presence. Like an AK-47, its reliability unmatched, straight from the mud into the hands of the operator. The machine functions regardless of conditions. With carbureted and fuel-injected iterations, the 22R showcased extraordinary longevity and unwavering resilience, enduring the harshest of conditions, earning a multitude's devotion. Crafted with a commitment to enhancement, Toyota, in its divine wisdom, continually refined the 22R, pursuing superior efficiency, reduced emissions, and enhanced power. Amidst the rugged landscapes of Toyota's pickup trucks, including the indomitable Hilux and the esteemed Tacoma, the 22R stood unwavering, a divine force, even as newer engines emerged. As twilight descended in the mid-90s, production ceased, yet its legacy persisted, with many 22R engines serving as beacons of fidelity. Enthusiasts and trailblazers, propelled by devotion, continued to elevate vehicles graced by the 22R spirit. A vibrant community of devotees emerged, drawn to the 22R revered aura, cultivating an aftermarket fellowship, forging a pantheon of performance enhancements, and elevating the 22R to new heights. In summation, the Toyota 22R stands as an enduring relic, a revered 4-cylinder, renowned for unyielding strength and unwavering devotion, forever etched in the annals of automotive history. Its tale resonates, particularly in the realm of Toyota's beloved chariots, within the hallowed domain of pickup trucks, a testament to its divine presence.
Shout out Chris and the boys for helping with that. I hope you guys had fun. It was fun filming that stuff. Thanks Chris for putting together the engine, even though it turned out the way it did. The way it did is that we got everything together, got the bottom end all done, and the crank spun freely as you guys saw. But once we got the pistons and the rods attached to the crank, it was getting caught up during the revolutions. It wasn't smooth. I'll show you guys. So we were looking, and we took one of the pistons out, and it was making contact with the wall of the cylinder. So we bored it. We hit it with the bore more, the thingy, and it was just hitting the wall of the cylinder. So if you look carefully, you can see that the pistons aren't sitting exactly perfectly centered in the cylinder. So to me that implies that the block was overheated to the point where it warped to some degree. The cylinders are now ovalized, which explains the lack of compression when it was actually in the car, because the cylinders are ovalized. So I'm going to rip everything apart, get the block to a machine shop, see what they say. Hopefully it can be bored like 0.02 over, and I can just get oversized pistons and have the deck blocked and get an oversized head gasket, and then I can put it back together. But you know, this is what happens when you don't send everything off to a machine shop from the jump. So away she goes. Yeah, so I'll get everything ripped apart, and then also the bushing for the rod bearing on the where it connects to the actual piston. We didn't change those and didn't figure it out till later, so I'm gonna have to have those changed too. So it's just one of those things where, since this is my first engine build and Chris's first actual engine assembly, I expected there to be some problems like this. I told him that don't worry, I'd rather him mess it up, because if I mess it up, I'll be mad at myself. Well, I won't be mad at him. I don't know, it's a weird fucking go figure. But so this is the stage we're at. I'll keep you guys updated. I appreciate you guys watching the videos. Do the algorithm thing so people can find me. Yeah, I appreciate you guys watching. Have a good one.